Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video in CapCut in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need to open your CapCut from here, and then you just need to click on create project. And now you are in CapCut editor. So now if you click on import, and now if we select a video that we want to reverse, just click on plus button. And now you can see that this video is going at the left side, and now we will going to reverse it. So what we will going to do, we will click on this video at the right side of your mouse, and then we will going for edit option, and then here is the option called reverse. So click on that, and after you can see that the reversing clip is going through. And you can see that after reverse is completed, there will be a notification. And now if you click on that, and you can see now the cloud is going at the right side. Before it's going at the left side, and now it's going at the right side. So this is how we can reverse video into CapCut in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.